Tires that grip in rain, roll smoothly in sunshine, and don't leave you sliding like Bambi on ice? Yes, they exist, and today we're ranking the best of them. All-season tires promise year-round confidence, but not all tread is created equal. Some boost fuel economy, some hug corners like a sports car, and others save your morning commute from turning into a skating routine. Stick around as we test traction, comfort, durability, and real-world value to help you pick the perfect set for your ride. All product links listed in this video are included in the description below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5 on our list, Firestone All-Season. Year-round confidence meets everyday comfort in a tire built to keep your drives smooth, quiet, and secure. Whether sunshine, rain, or snow greets you on the road. You get a tire designed for real-life driving, offering reliable traction across seasons thanks to deep sipes and circumferential grooves that channel water away for safer wet handling. Firestone All-Season delivers a controlled, comfortable ride whether you're cruising highways or navigating busy city streets. Computer-tuned construction keeps road noise low, helping your commute feel calmer and more refined. Longevity matters, and this tire supports your budget with up to 65,000 miles of tread life depending on size and rating, meaning fewer replacements and long-term value. You benefit from well-balanced performance ideal for sedans, minivans, SUVs, and crossovers, making this a smart pick if you want dependable everyday grip without the premium price tag. In this review, you learn how it stacks up against competitors, how it behaves in different weather, and whether its ride quality and durability match your driving style. With stable handling, year-round traction, and a quiet, cushioned feel, you stay confident mile after mile, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 4. Goodyear Assurance Finesse. Smooth, quiet, and fuel-friendly. This tire packs premium comfort and all-season confidence into a design built to keep your daily drive stress-free and efficient. You get a tire that doesn't just roll, it glides. Goodyear Assurance Finesse focuses on delivering a calm, cushioned ride thanks to its patented tread pattern, so your cabin stays peaceful even on rougher roads. With a specially engineered rubber compound, you enjoy low rolling resistance, meaning better fuel efficiency without sacrificing grip. Wet morning commute, light snow in winter, dry summer highways, this tire handles it all with balanced traction. Engineered with an optimized contact patch, the Assurance Finesse promotes longer tread life, helping your investment last mile after mile. You benefit from strong, everyday reliability and eco-friendly performance, perfect if you want comfort and economy in one smart package. Today, you discover what sets this tire apart from other all-season options, how it performs in real-world driving, and whether its premium ride quality and quiet operation match your needs. Ideal for commuters and family drivers who value smoothness, savings, and year-round stability, so you feel confident and comfortable every time you hit the road. Number 3. Continental ExtremeContact. Power meets precision in a tire built to elevate your everyday drive while delivering confident grip, sharp handling, and year-round performance you can actually trust. You get a tire built for real-world conditions, not just sunny day cruising. Continental ExtremeContact Plus blends ultra-high performance DNA with true all-season versatility, meaning you feel planted in corners, stable at highway speeds, and calm when rain or snow hits. Sport Plus technology boosts handling response, so each turn feels smoother and more controlled, and those short braking distances inspire confidence on both wet and dry pavement. Engineered with tuned performance indicators, you can easily see when dry, wet, or snow grip begins to fade, taking the guesswork out of tire checks. Backed by up to 50,000 miles of tread life coverage, you enjoy longevity without sacrificing traction or comfort. Style also gets an upgrade thanks to a sleek tread pattern that looks aggressive without adding noise or harshness. In this review, you learn how these tires stack up against other premium all-season performance models, so you drive away knowing whether they fit your needs for spirited driving, all-weather confidence, and long-term value. Number 2. Pirelli Cinturato P7. Smooth, confident, and built for everyday driving excellence. Pirelli's Cinturato P7. All-Season brings premium control, quiet comfort, and fuel-saving efficiency to your daily commute. When you're choosing a tire that performs year-round, consistency matters. You get reliable traction in dry, wet, and even light winter conditions thanks to its optimized tread compound and sturdy tread blocks. 4 wide grooves channel water efficiently to reduce hydroplaning, so rainy day drives feel stable and predictable. Run-flat capability adds peace of mind, keeping you moving even after a puncture. A feature city drivers love. Drivers who value comfort will appreciate the refined ride, reduced road noise, and dependable steering feel. Innovative materials help cut rolling resistance, meaning better fuel mileage and lower CO2 emissions. A win for your wallet and the environment. By watching this guide, you uncover real-world advantages instead of just reading spec sheets. You learn not only what this tire promises, but how it performs for daily drivers, commuters, and families wanting all-season confidence without sacrificing comfort. If you want a blend of safety, efficiency, and everyday driving satisfaction, Pirelli Cinturato P7 All-Season offers a smart balance of premium performance and long-term value. Number 1 on our list, Bridgestone Turanza 6. Command confidence and comfort every mile with Bridgestone's Turanza 6, a premium touring tire built to keep your drive smooth, safe, and fuel efficient in every season. When you're choosing a tire, real road performance matters. That's where Turanza 6 stands out. You get advanced all-season traction, so rain-slicked streets and highway sprints feel controlled and predictable. Thanks to an innovative polymer compound and divergent shoulder lugs, water clears quickly for stronger braking and reduced aquaplaning. Fuel-conscious drivers will appreciate the low-gauge body ply design, engineered to lower rolling resistance and boost efficiency over time. You'll notice a confident, composed ride on long trips, city commutes, and everything in between. Double-angle 3D washboard sipes enhance road grip and stability, while the symmetrical tread pattern supports even wear, meaning smoother handling and longer tire life. By watching this review, you cut through marketing buzz and get clear insight into how Turanza 6 performs in real-world conditions. You understand who it's best for, why these features matter, and how they can improve your everyday driving experience. For anyone seeking year-round dependability, premium comfort, and smart fuel savings, Turanza 6 is ready to deliver a refined, safe, and efficient ride.